Congratulations on taking a step towards smart money habits. Today we're covering the basics of saving versus investing. Saving money means not spending it and setting it aside someplace safe, like in a piggy bank or bank account. Most people save for short-term goals, something in the near future, like a bike, new shoes, or a video game, or to build an emergency fund for unforeseen expenses. A long-term goal is something far in the future, usually years away, like paying for college, buying a home, starting a business, or planning your retirement. Investing is when you buy something with the hope that it will earn you money over time, things like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. It's all about making your money work harder so you can reach your goals faster. Think about saving like riding a bike and investing like driving a car. You'll eventually get where you're going on a bike, but you can go farther and faster in a car. Just like you can earn more money faster investing than saving. But how exactly does investing work? Let's start at the beginning. Have you ever wondered how your favorite stores or restaurants stay in business? They are part of something called a company. Companies can be big or small, with just a few employees or with thousands. No matter what size, they all need to make money to stay in business. So they sell products or services. Sometimes, companies need even more money to grow or expand, to build new stores, hire more employees, or develop new products. One way they raise extra money is by selling portions of the company to the public. These portions or shares are called stock. Think of a company as a pizza pie. Each slice is a share of stock. If the whole pizza or company gets bigger, each slice or stock gets bigger, increasing in value and making the investor money. Companies that sell stock are listed on an exchange, a marketplace to buy and sell stocks. The stock market game allows you to buy and sell stocks on the two largest exchanges, the New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ, both located in New York City. Each company uses their own unique combination of letters called ticker symbols. Some are a shorter version of the company's name, like Netflix. Others are totally different, like Coca-Cola's. You can easily search for a company's ticker symbol within the stock market game portfolio. On the homepage, scroll down to the Research section. Enter a company's full or partial name or its ticker symbol in the search box for a list of matching companies. If you get multiple options, just check the description under the ticker symbol to find the one you want. To invest, click the Trade button to go to the trade screen. You can also search on financial news and information sites like Google or Yahoo Finance. You'll find additional company details to help in your stock research. Let's wrap up with some takeaways. 1. Investing means buying something with the hope that you'll earn money over time. 2. You can invest in companies by buying shares, called stock. 3. The stock market game allows investing in securities found on the New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ. 4. A ticker symbol helps you find a company on an exchange. 5. Research companies within the stock market game portfolio and financial news sites. That's all for now. Entering your first trade is up next.